Hello, welcome to Fitous Thai Kitchen. Today we're going to do something different. We have to make a snack. We use the plantain. And then the ingredient is a little bit simple. Okay, all the ingredients are salt, coconut sugar, white sugar, sesame seeds, shredded coconut milk, plantain, rice flour. Okay, now we're going to mix all these ingredients together. I pour rice flour. This one about 300 grams of rice flour. Okay, shredded coconut. This one about 150 grams. 1 tablespoon of salt. Coconut sugar. This one I think about 2 tablespoons, 3 tablespoons. We can taste later. Get normal sugar, 2 tablespoons. Sesame seeds, 3 tablespoons sesame seeds, and coconut milk. You can use water also can, but the coconut milk a little bit more tasty.
Super too.
Yes. Okay, you can use half, and after that put more a little bit water. If put just coconut milk become more rich. Okay, now you mix all the ingredients. Yeah, and in the same time we heat the oil. Just fry in the wok. I add a bowl of water. It's nice. Yeah, in Thailand they have it with the iced coffee or Thai iced tea. I put a little bit more of sesame seed. Yeah, you can see clear after you fry. After we mix all the mixture, not too thick, not too light. Yeah, you can see become like this. Not only this, you can use the sweet potato or taro. Yeah, you can fry do the same way. ไอ้ก็เก่งเหมือนกันนะอยู่ว่าไหมไอ้ก็เก่งเหมือนกันนะ How we going to cut the plantain? Okay, how we going to cut the plantain? You cut into 3 this shape and then you slice. It become 3, yeah, 3 pieces. Okay, now we start to fry the plantain. I use hand to dip this one. Yeah, you just dip into the mixture we have mixed.
Thai kuih tod.
กล้วยทอด but กล้วยทอด we use Thai banana but this one yeah we can say กล้วยทอด yeah or Thai banana fritter if in
No, but in Thai you just say kuih tod.
yeah กล้วยทอด well we don't have this one in Thailand this kind of banana we don't have
Oh, do you?
Uh,
Oh, I thought you had.
no when you see the color golden brown like this you can take it out okay 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 in Thai we call กล้วยทอด but we use the local banana and this one we cannot get it we use the plantain or we call banana fritter yeah for snack in the afternoon
Okay, so we have the kuih tod. Listen to that crunch. Oh man. These are incredibly Moorish. Give these a go, guys. It's so easy and just so tasty. I mean, even a fun little snack to make with the kids over the summer holidays. Crunchy, squishy in the middle.